Good morning, students. Welcome back to e-learning classes of Modern English School, Kuntinagar, Nevada. Today, I am going to solve some questions of exercise 5A. So, let us start question number 1. Also, you know, this is revision video of the topic exponents. Is it clear? Here, first question is 60. Simplify 16 into 2 power of n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 power of n upon 16 into 2 power n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 power of n plus 2. The first we rewrite the question. We have 16 into 2 power of n plus 1 minus 4 into 2 power of n upon 16 into 2 power of n plus 2 minus 2 into 2 power n plus 2 is equal to here first we destroy power this type. We know that law of exponent a power of m plus n is equal to a power of m into a power of n. This is called law of exponent. You remember always. Here 16 into 2 m is equal to here n is equal to here 1. The 2 power of n into 2 power of 1 means 2, not right here power 1, minus 4 into 2 power of n upon 16 into 2 power of n into 2 power of 2 minus 2 into 2 power of n into 2 power of 2. Is it clear? Here write next step. Here take the common. Here common is 4 and 2 power of n. Here take the maximum common. So here maximum common is 4 into 2 power of n. So we take 4 in 16. So here remaining is 4. 2n is common or only 2. So here left 4 into 2. Is it clear? Here complete common to write here minus 1 upon. Take here common, the maximum here common 2 into 2 power of n into 2 power of 2. So here take common 2 into 2 power of n into 2 power of 2. In 16 we take common 2. In 16 remaining 8. Is it clear? 2 power of n common here, 2 power of 2 common here. Is it clear? Here complete common, so here write 1. Is it clear? 4 into 2 power of n into 4 to ja 8. 8 minus 1 7 upon here 2 into 2 power of n into 2 power of 2 means 4. 2 power 2 means 2 into 2 is equal to 4 into 8 minus 1 7. The 7 cancel out. 2 power of n 2 power n cancel out. 4 cancel out. In numerator here remaining is 1 and denominator is 2. So this is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 2. In question number 2, simplify 3 power of 5 into 10 power of 5 into 25 upon 5 power of 7 into 6 power of 5. We have first we rewrite the question 3 power of 5 into 10 power of 5 into 25. Is it clear? 5 power of 7 into 6 power of 5. The first we remove power notation, means 3 power of 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 means 3 repeated 5 times. 10 power of 5 means 10 repeated 10 5 times. And here simply 25 right here upon 5 power 7 means 5 repeated 7 times. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Is it clear? 6 power of 5 means 6 repeated 5 times. Is it clear? Here cancel out 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 जा 6, 3 2 जा 6, 3 2 जा 6, 3 2 जा 6. Here 5 2 जा 10, 5 2 जा 10, 5 2 जा 10, 5 2 जा 10, 5 2 जा 10. Is it clear? 5 5 जा 25. अब 5 in 5 cancel. Is it clear? 2 2 cancel out, 2 2 cancel out, 2 2 cancel out, 2 2 cancel out, 2 2 cancel out. So all terms cancel out. The here remaining is 1. Here remaining 1. This is your required answer. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 3. In question number 3, if 6 power of 2n plus 1 divided 36 is equal to 6 power of 3 given, find the value of n. We write next step here 6 power 2n plus 1 divided 36 write as the base of 6. The 36 write is base 6 square of 6. 6 into 6 36 is equal to 6 power of 3. We know that law of exponent a power m divided a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Is it clear? Here base is 6 6. Here power will be subtracted, means 2n plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 6 power of 3. Next step 6 power 2n minus 1 is equal to 6 power of 3 plus 1 minus 2 we get minus 1. Is it clear? And next step here base is same, the equate here power will be equated, means write 2n minus 1 is equal to 3. The 2n is equal to 3 plus 1. The 2n is equal to 4. Lastly write n is equal to 4 upon 2 is equal to 2 2 ja 4. We get 2. Is it clear? Now let us discuss question number 4. In question number 4, given 8 into 2 power of n plus 2 is equal to 32. The next step 2 power of n plus 2. Here 8 we multiply also 2 into a power of n plus 2. So here we divided 2 power of n plus 2 is equal to 8 4 ja 32. So here write 4. Is it clear? 2 power of n plus 2. 2 write also power of 2 power of 2 means 4. Therefore base is same. The power will be equated, means n plus 2 is equal to 2. The n is equal to 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. So hence n is equal to 0. This is your required answer. I hope you will complete exercise 5A, and your homework today revise exercise 5B. Is it clear? That's all. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.